My name is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm going to be doing a first impressions, first look ever at a beauty subscription box, and it's called GLOSSYBOX. They say here, it says here on their website, which is glossybox.com. I'll post it somewhere here. A beautiful box full of beauty treats. GLOSSYBOX is a perfect beauty surprise for friends, loved ones, even yourself. For $21 per month, you'll get a beautifully wrapped box containing 5 deluxe beauty products delivered directly to your doorstep. So they apparently have offices around the world. This is for North America. With a commitment to constantly innovate the beauty discovery experience, GLOSSYBOX North America leads the quickly growing, highly dynamic U.S. and Canadian business into the future. At GLOSSYBOX North America, we believe sampling is the most effective and organic way for women to fall in love with a product and become lifelong brand advocates. Filled with 5 makeup, hair, and skincare products from top brands, GLOSSYBOX is packaged with love by our in-house beauty experts and delivered to your doorstep every month. Find your next beauty must-have with GLOSSYBOX. They also have a worldwide. So that one was founded in Berlin in 2011, a leading purveyor of luxury beauty samples set on a global stage. We're committed to introducing the most exciting brands from around the world to you, whether it be a product featured on the runways of Milan or the newest skincare regimen from Japan. We strive to ensure you are the first to have access to it. Welcome to the world of GLOSSYBOX, where boundless beauty discovery awaits. And they're located in 10 countries. They have beauty trends scouting in all corners of the world, including Paris, Milan, Tokyo, and New York. They have a team of over 150 beauty enthusiasts working to source the best products, strong relationships with premium and niche brands worldwide, a global customer service team to support your beauty needs. Well, we shall see. This is my first ever box, so I don't know. This is my first experience for GLOSSYBOX. So let's see what the hype is all about, shall we? It's similar to, it has HelloFresh, so they have a similar deal, I guess, with them as they do with BoxyCharm, and a wine voucher for $100. Woohoo! And this is the box within. Put that there. It's pink. It's like a baby pink. Just seeing what is inside. I'm dying to see. Nice presentation, I must add. Eh? Open the top. I guess that's the logo. Very chic. It's all about the presentation, folks, right? This is what it looks like. Beautiful. All eyes on me, it says. You see that? All eyes on me. Like untying this beautiful little gift. Okay. Oh, and it gives, I think, what's inside in this. And look again, look how pretty the packaging is. My goodness. Wow. And it's full of lovely things inside. This looks promising. The first brand I see in here is from Aiko, or Aiko. And this is their mascara. I know I received this in a prior box with another beauty subscription brand months ago. But I'm loving, this is their Black Magic Mascara. And I'll put the price somewhere here so you'll see how much it costs. And it comes like in a tube. Isn't that interesting? Let's open this real quick. And it's definitely a deluxe sample. And we'll open it like so you can see. Oh, and it's bent. See? So it mimics the curve of your eye a little bit. Not bad. Next thing is from Ciate London. I love the drawing on that. And what is this? This is the Stamp and Drag. What? Yep, that's what it's called, the Stamp and Drag. Liner Duo. Wait a minute. I wonder if this is what I think it is. I wonder if this will help me do a real cat eye. Because Lord knows I need help. So this is what it looks like here. And I think it opens on one side with the tip. Okay. And the other side. Oh, nice. It's the stamp. You see that? So I'm able to do the, oh, that's going to be fun. I got to try that. Isn't that cute? This is handy. These are basic tweezers from Basic Beauty. That's useful. And they're pink, which is a lovely color. It's the color of the box. You see them? Very nice. This is for hair care. Ooh, look at that. Brightly colored packaging. One reads bad at. It's from the Maine Club, M-A-N-E. Sorry I can't hear you over the volume of my hair. This is the 5-in-1 deep conditioner. And when your deep conditioner says repairing, but you're still broken on the inside. This is a 5-in-1 deep conditioner, junk-free formula. They both say junk-free formula. Scent, sweet and spicy on this side, and the scent of this is crushed fruits. So again, if you're not into scents, this may not be for you, but I'm loving the packaging and deep conditioners. This is free of a lot of the, sulfates and parabens, so good to know. And the company again is the Maine Club. Again, I'll mention somewhere here what the pricings are, as well as the company, but I don't think I have a lot of their products. This is from Sleek, and this is their copper plate highlighter palette. Now it reads here that this is Sleek's first all powder highlighting palette. Features rich coppers and duotoned gold shades to give you a lit from within glow, no matter what your skin tone. Look at that lovely packaging right there. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, that's gorgeous. I'm dying to open it. Oh, okay. Ooh. And these look, ooh, what was that? Oh, that's a little applicator. Comes with a little applicator. That's cute. These are the colors. Let's see how they work. They look similar to the colors I received just recently from another brand, but these don't feel as creamy. Yeah, these have a definite different texture, but they're in the similar family. You see them? And the last thing that I got is a free matic eyeshadow from Dulce. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And it's in Tessa, the shade. It looks like a very low-key type of shade. I could be wrong. Okay, so it comes in this little thing like this. I think this is the introductory piece. I don't know if this came with it because I don't see it listed inside the brochure. So this might have been like a little like welcome to the club type of thing. It's really, really tiny. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see it? I'm afraid to even take it out of its. Wow, I mean, out of this, it's this. This thing is really small, but that is, I'm assuming that's an eyeshadow. And it opens, I don't know how this thing, oh, there it goes. This is gonna get so lost, but the color is really pretty and it feels super soft. Almost like the Ofra things that I just had. Let me see if I can get the shade on there. Do you see it? It's like a pale, almost looks like another highlighter, to be quite honest. But this thing is the tiniest thing. Oh my goodness. I have to look this up and see what the heck this is, because I have no idea. Let's see. It says it's a free matic eyeshadow. I can't believe they're this small. They just can't be. This has to be a sample size. And maybe it has some sort of a magnetic set similar to Inglob where you just buy them singular and you stick them in there. I don't know. I have to find out. But that's a lot of packaging for that little deluxe piece. So let's see what it says as far as what it may contain. I'll post the ingredients somewhere here, just in case. So overall, what did I think of the GLOSSYBOX subscription? It's a little different. It has a different kind of vibe. I have to say, I love that it came with this mega pack hair conditioning packs because my hair has been going through such stress lately. So I am really grateful that I got these hair conditioning masks because my hair has been stressed out. Mascara, can't go wrong with the stamp thing. This I'm so excited to try out because Lord knows I need help with the making those cute little like flicks there. It's hit or miss with me constantly. Still learning, not gonna give up. Mascara, you know, hey, everybody gets mascara. It's black. It it is what it is. Ico's a decent brand. I'll definitely be using it. Highlighter, love highlighter. Don't get me wrong, love highlighter. And I love that they gave a tool that is awesome. So if I don't get a brush, do I use tweezers? I don't, but they do come in handy for things. It's nice to have in your kit in case you need it. It has multiple uses. And I would say, nice job, GLOSSYBOX. I would have to give it a tentative A. There was no lipstick in here, and there really, you know, skincare wasn't in here either, but I have to say it's an interesting selection, interesting choice. I think I'm intrigued, and I will look forward to seeing the next box that I believe will be Mother's Day themed. I don't know what that entails, but for those of us who aren't exactly mothers, it would be interesting to see what they put in for the likes of the rest of us. How about you? What did you think of what I got? Are you a GLOSSYBOX subscriber? Let me know in the comments below what you think and what you thought of what I got in my box. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me. My name again is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup a Breakup Blog, and I hope to see you on my next makeup subscriber box adventure. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care. Bye.